The transport industry faces an unprecedented challenge: drag. But what is drag? Drag is any force opposing the motion of an object. How will SHARKSKIN technology reduce drag? SHARKSKIN technology is an aeroshark film that is lightweight, flexible, and was designed to reduce friction, a type of drag. It is 50 micrometers in length, and according to a recent study, Statista mentioned that in 2021, 19.3 million flights was conducted around the world, including problems like increase in carbon emissions and increase in drag and increase in fuel consumptions. To learn more about this technology, we would like to study the life of the sharks. Sharks have flexible skin. In fact, their skin consists of overlapping scales that was naturally designed to reduce drag. SHARKSKIN technology was created by BASF in partnership with Lufthansa Technik. The technology offers more advantages because it can be cut to any size or shape, and also it contains a biomimetic film. We would like to know what you think about this technology. Will it really solve the carbon emission problem? Will it reduce drag to 0%? Please tell us in the comment section.